We have a bird's eye view of the diamond recovery plant now. We're sitting on top where the ore is fed in. I built a platform up here because this chute is not wide enough. So I built this onto it, and we are done feeding. It's about 10:15, Max just left. But there's ore up here that needs to be fed into the plant. So I'm going to get a shovel and push that in. So I want to show you on the water feed. The two white pipes come from our supply water pond over there. And then this is the gravel pump water coming up in the green hose. So that's a new addition. And that's being pumped up from down there. And the water actually comes from our recirculating pond, our settling pond. So there's a pump in that white pipe. There's a pump under that deck. And it pumps water through hoses and pipes and up into the gravel pump right under the rock pressure, and it pumps it up that green hose up here and feeds everything back into the plant after the rock is crushed. To give you a perspective, there's our mining carport where I've got shade, and I will actually dig the concentrates later. This is where our ore is stored, and Mac has been hauling it from there. That stockpile is dwindling, and we will go back to the mine and dig some up and bring it down to feed the plant. But for now, I just wanted to show you, this is the chute where everything goes in. And it goes around in the scrubber. And we've got some larger rocks in here, and it'll break down and go through the whole process. It goes down that chute. I can see from here everything's working fine. See how the water goes down that chute and all our gravel, and then it goes into this smaller trommel and is jigged. And the bigger stuff goes to the rock crusher and the gravel pump, and it's come back, sent back up here and goes back through the whole process again. So it's working great. I'm really pleased with the way it all rolled this morning. We were only going to run from 7 to 9 for 2 hours, but everything was running so smooth, we decided to go ahead and run until 10 o'clock. And as you can tell, it's getting close to 10:30, and I haven't shut it down. I just wanted to flush some of the material through that was in the scrubber and left over up here. But I'll get the rest of this stuff in. I had Mac keep track of how many skid steers full he dumped in, and he said 16. So about a half a yard each. So that's 8 yards is what we processed in 3 hours. So I'm real pleased with the way everything worked. We didn't have any problems. And thanks for taking this bird's eye view look at the Worthington Diamond Recovery Plant.